government schools were closing by state government. We are opposing that decision of the state government.
They are going to close down. They are going to tell that there is less number of children. That's why we are going to close down the schools.
Around 21,000 government schools in Karnataka, their building structure is so poor that it can fall any time. Yesterday also one school in Ballari fell and 10 students are injured. This is the news we are getting daily.
Thousands of students in Karnataka, led by the All India Democratic Students Organization, protested against the closure of 6,200 government schools. They submitted a petition with 50 lakh signatures to the government. The protest at Freedom Park was opened by retired Supreme Court Justice N. Santosh Hegde. Education Minister Madhu Bangarappa said no schools will be closed. Students, however, said they will keep fighting until the decision is official. Experts said closing government schools is unfair to poor children and favors private schools. Students shared problems in schools like unsafe bathrooms, lack of teachers, and poor facilities. Despite attempts to stop them, students reached the park and showed their determination. AIDSO leaders said this protest is a model for the whole country. The petition was officially accepted by Anita Nazre, Director of Primary Education. The focus is now on saving and improving government schools, not closing them. Stay tuned for more updates.
The state government is closing down the below 30 students, the government schools. Government schools were closing by state government. We are opposing that decision of the state government. Immediately taken back for that closing down the government schools, which is below the 30 students are there in classrooms. And also we are demanding, which is 61,000 guest faculties or the teachers are there. Immediately that should be appoint them. And also we are demanding which are the facilities are there in the government schools. Immediately government should be taken that response and do the build and save the public education, save the government schools, and which are admissions are there, from giving the facilities to their all of government schools to build the government schools. So our demand is like this. So, and also we are protesting. So statewide the decision is that in budget also, in budget for education we are demanding fixed budget. We have 30% budget we are demanding from state government. And also we are demanding basic facilities like drinking water or toilets, so which are have to be government schools to be organizing, or and also students will encouraging to admission, so many admissions. So like this we are demanding.
Your name and designation, sir?
I am Gangaraj, State Secretariat member, AIDS.
ಶಾಲೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಉಳ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಇಡೀ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಾಗ 6,200 ಶಾಲೆಗಳು ಮುಚ್ಚಕತ್ತದ. ಅವ್ರೇನು ಹೇಳಕತ್ತಾರ, ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಬರಕತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಚಲೋ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಾತ್ರೂಮ್ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟಿ, ಚಲೋ ನೀರು ಶುದ್ಧ ನೀರು ಕುಡಿಯೋಕೆ, ಊಟ ಮಾಡೋದು ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಬಯಲಿಗೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನೋಡಿದರೆ ಅವ್ರ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗೆ ಭಯ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಏನು ಭಯ ಅಂದರೆ ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಏನೋ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತಾರ, ನಾನು ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಕಳಿಸಲ್ಲ, ನಂಗೆ ಕೂಲಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೇಸಿ ಅವ್ರು ಅದ್ರಸ್ಲಾಕೆ ನಾವು ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಶಾಲೆ ಉಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕಂತ, ಚಲೋ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟಿ ಇಡಬೇಕಂತ, ಚಲೋ ಮೂಲಭೂತ ಹಕ್ಕುಗಳು ಇಡಬೇಕಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇದು ಈಗಿನ ಫ್ರೀಡಮ್ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ನಂದು ಯಾದಗಿರಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ, ನಾನು ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಯಾದಗಿರಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆನಿಂದ ಅದನ್ನು ಜನರಲ್ ಟ್ರೈನ್ನಿಂದ ಮಕ್ಕಳಾರ್ದೆ ಬಂದು ಕೇಸಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡ ವಿಷಯ ಕೇಳಿಸಿ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Schools. If you see the school condition means in Vijay Karnataka paper only they said that 21,000 government schools are in which condition means if they simple rain comes exams they can fall. Like that situation is there. 2 weeks back only we saw that in Rajasthan one government school fall down. 7 students are died in that position. Like that in Karnataka also so many schools are like that only. And in some of the 6,000 government schools only single teachers are doing teaching post. In Karnataka only 59,000 government schools में teacher post is खाली है, बाकी है. So like these school issues are there. So government should see the issues and improve that condition. So many schools didn't have the washroom facilities, water facilities, electricity facilities also.
What are your demands, ma'am?
Sir, we are demanding, first demand is don't close the schools and then provide sufficient teachers for the schools, then provide the basic facilities like building infrastructure also, then water facilities, electricity facilities, basic facilities. Please provide. We are like these demands are there.
From AIDSO student organization, from past 6 months we have been on the streets. All high school, higher primary kids, they have gone on streets to collect 50 lakh signatures to save and strengthen government schools, because we see today public education is being taken away from our students. We see day by day education is getting privatized. This shouldn't happen. Public education must be saved. This was our slogan and still it is. So we were able to collect 50 lakh signatures across Karnataka, and we have gathered here to submit these signatures to the government. Because we see, if we take even example of Bangalore, even colleges also, day by day, the fee is getting raised. All high school students, after the school hours, they go to work. If they do not work, they cannot pay the school fees. We see that across around 21,000 government schools in Karnataka, their building structure is so poor that it can fall any time. Yesterday also one school in Ballari fell and 10 students are injured. This is the news we are getting daily. So if this is the case, then which parent will have the confidence that I will see my child alive if it goes to a government school? We are demanding basic facilities like infrastructure, funding, appointment of teachers. All those vacancies should be filled. Teachers must be appointed. All these vacancies, all these problems must be attended. This is our slogan, and for that we have gathered in Freedom Park demanding of scientific, secular and democratic education for all.